To solve this problem on the pentagonal prism and prism resting on the corner. Resting on the corner means corner should come to your right side. So it is resting on this corner. That's why this corner is should be kept to your right side. So let us start with drawing a pentagon in the top view resting on the corner. Whenever you want to draw the pentagon, always start with the horizontal line. 25 mm length, first angle is 0. Next length is 25, second angle is 72 degree. Next length is 25 mm. Next angle is 72 into 2. Next length is 25. Angle is 72 into 3. Then join here. Now we have to rotate it such that corner come to your right side. Rotate, copy of. This is the center of rotation. This is the point rotate from. Rotate it like this. Then again select it. Just move it wherever you want, you keep it. Yeah. Now let us name it. A within the bracket A1, B within the bracket B1, C within the bracket C1, D within the bracket D1, E within the bracket E1. Then find out the center of the pentagon by drawing the median. Median is a line joining the corner to the center of the opposite edge. There are 5 corners. You can draw 5 medians like this. I'll draw only 3 median. 3 is enough to find out the center. Even if you draw 5, nothing wrong. You can draw 5 also. I'm projecting all the edges. Height of the prism. What is the height of the prism given? 60 mm. Height of the prism is 60 mm. Take a line here. 60 mm height. Angle 90. Enter. Draw one line. Again from here. Draw another line. From here, draw another line. Then go to 0.13 thickness chain line, because this is the axis. Axis should be thin and chain line. Then go to trim command, trim out this. Draw one more line at the bottom from here to here, here to here, here to here. Draw 3 separate lines. Don't draw single line. Okay. This should be dark line, so select it, select it, and make it dark by selecting 0.5 mm thickness. And again, this line is a continuous line. We don't want chain line, so make it a continuous line. Then okay. So this is the size of the pentagon is 25 mm. Sure, 25 mm. Here comes O1. Axis O within a bracket O1. So this is O1 dash. This is A1 dash. This is A dash. This is O dash. This is actually O dash. This is O1 dash. Okay. So this should be thin line and chain line. This is the axis actually. And this should be dark line and continuous line. This is not the interchange of them. Okay. Now naming A1. Okay. Edit this. Edit this. This should be B1 E1 here bottom. This should be B1 dash B1 dash. This should be B dash E dash. This should be C1 dash D1 dash. C1 dash D1 dash. CC dash D dash. So naming is very important. Do the naming immediately. Okay. Once it is done, now we have to rotate it such that axis makes an angle of 40 degrees like this. Can you see here? We will rotate it such that axis makes an angle of 40 degrees. For that, select this. Select it. Select it. Then move. Copy on. Move from this point and keep it here. Again, come out and right click. Go to rotate command. Switch off the copy. This is the center of rotation. This is the point to rotate from. Angle is 40. Position angle, both are 40. Okay. See, 40 was the given. So now project down. D1 dash, D1 dash. Immediately you name it. So this is A1, B1, C1, D1, E1. Then join A to B, B to C. That is sequentially by a dark line. A1 to B1, B1 to C1, C1 to B1, B1 to E1, E1 to E1. Okay, then find out the axis here. This is axis. Okay. This is O1. Now draw the vertical from axis here. Vertical from the axis O1 dash from the top front view. Then extend this line from here to here. Then commit. This is O axis line. Why axis we have to find out? Because now what I do is select this, select this, select it, select this line also. Then move, copy on, move from the O1, keep it on O here. Come out and right click. Okay. Then go to line command, draw a dark line, continuous line, join E1 to E, D1 to D, B1 to B. Then what is this? A1 to A. Naming is pending, so this should be A, this should be B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E. Okay. Now, what is the invisible point? Line passing through A1 should be invisible, right? So select 3 lines. One, this one, 3 lines should be line of dashes. To see them, we have to join here. Next, what is the axis inclination given? 45 degree. Axis inclination given is 45 degree corner C. Okay, corner C. Axis appears to be inclined at 45 degree. Axis appears to be inclined at 45 degree. Okay. Draw a line from somewhere here. 45 degree. Minus 90 plus 45. Minus 135. Minus 135 is the angle. Draw free length. Length is free length. Free length. Now we have to keep this. Keep this. We have to move this. Copy and from the axis to axis. So this is the axis here. The axis. Then move it. Select these two axes. This is important. Then you move it. Copy on. Move from the point O. If we turn this here, 45 degree line, come out and right click. then rotate, copy of, axis should be on this 45 degree on this point, and this point should be on the 45 degree line. Then trim this. What is this angle? 45. This angle is 45 degree. Okay. Now we have to do the projection to the top. Do the projection to the top. So let us find out the bottom face, A1. This is A1. So this is A1 dash. This is B1. B1 dash will travel vertical here. Then A1, B1, this is C1. This is C1. B1, B1. This is B1. Then this is E1. Touch here. E1, D1. This is D1. You can name it. This is D1 dash. This should be C1 dash. A1 dash. D1 dash. D. This is D dash. This is E dash. E1 dash. Identify 5 points. Then join sequentially. A dash to B dash, B dash, B dash, B dash, like this. Okay. Now draw one horizontal from A dash. It will go with A dash. Draw horizontal from A dash. Vertical from A. Both are meeting there. Trim it. Then what you call this point? This is A dash. Now select the bottom face. Select the bottom face of the pentagon like this. Then move, copy on, move from the point A1, A, and keep it on here. A. Come out and right click. Then join D1 to D, D1 to D, this point A1 to A, B1 to we'll find out the axis also. Right chain line, show the axis. See the axis. It should be thin line. Now what are the hidden edges? Line passing through E. E should be hidden. Where is E here? This is E. So three lines passing through E should be in. There is this one, and this one. Make it dark and line of dashes. So that's all. For the dimensions, measure the angle between. First you have to extend the axis like this. Then you have to measure the angle between the axis and the XY line. 40 degree. That's all.